Hello, everyone. This week we're going to talk about natural science again and the homes of beavers. We talked about homes of bees, homes of birds. This week we're talking about the homes of beavers. And I brought with me today Bucky the beaver. Do you see his big teeth? And he is ready to chew on a tree, and he's going to show us a part of a tree, a branch that he chewed on. Can you see the part of the tree that he's chewed on? Can you see the teeth marks? Oh, thank you so much for sharing that with us, Bucky. And right now, Bucky and I are going to go over to a book about beavers and making their homes that are called lodges. So let's come over here, and we can see that the name of the book is Beavers by Gail, Gibbons. And there they are. Do you see this beaver is chewing into the tree just like our friend Bucky Beaver did. He's making his house, his lodge. Crunch, gnaw, crash. A beaver has used its strong front teeth to gnaw through the base of a tree. And there he is. The beaver grasps one of the tree's branches and moves it down a canal toward the narrow part of a stream. And other beavers carry branches, twigs, and stones and mud. It is a family of beavers building a dam. That's before they build their house. More and more branches and twigs are shoved into the stream's muddy bottom. The dam gets taller as more logs, branches, and sticks are piled on top. This dam is built to be higher than the water line, so the water will back up to create a beaver pond. The beavers will be able to make their pond. Beavers need trees and water to live. They use trees for building, and they eat the bark and the twigs of trees. Living in and around water protects beavers from enemies. If danger comes near, the beavers can dive and swim away. Now, building a beaver lodge. A beaver home is called a lodge. Beavers begin to build their lodge by piling up stones, sticks, small logs, and mud underwater. The beavers go back and forth, lugging, pushing, and stacking more and more building material. Soon they have built the lodge floor with enough room for the entire family of beavers. Do you see the floor? And just like Bucky, they're chewing down the trees. Next, the beavers arrange branches and stones above the lodge floor. It's the beginning of a dome. It looks almost like a teepee. Back and forth they go. The beavers gnaw and dig tunnels from the underwater base of the lodge to make a lodge floor. And then they cover it with soft, dry leaves. It's sort of like a rug. And then they are ready to be in their lodge. And when they're in their lodge, of course, they need to eat what beavers eat. Beavers are plant eaters. They are called herbivores. They only eat plants, herbivores. They eat barks, twigs, and roots of trees. They also eat berries, cattails, seeds, nuts, buds, and other plant life. A beaver needs powerful jaws and sharp front teeth to gnaw away at the trees. This is the jaws and the teeth of a beaver. Beavers make many sounds, almost always chattering aloud. They whine and whimper. It means they want something or they're scared. Beavers show tenderness, kindness, and greet another by nibbling the other beaver's cheeks. It's sort of like a little kiss. Danger. If a beaver senses an enemy nearby, whack. It slaps its tail on the water's surface, making a loud sound. Other beavers go on alert. They hurry back to the lodge. Where wetlands have been filled in to create land site for building, beaver populations have declined. They've grown less and less. But today people realize how important beavers are. From the building skills, new wetlands are formed. Older wetlands may fill in with rich earth and become meadows. In other areas, beaver dams help control flooding during heavy rains. Beavers, beavers, beavers. Thank you so much for sharing, friends. And I hope you can find out more about beavers and their homes or their lodges as well. Goodbye. Goodbye.